Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to discuss Dakin oxidation. In this reaction, ortho-hydroxy aromatic aldehyde or ketone or para-hydroxyaldehyde or ketone reacts with hydrogen peroxide in the presence of a base like sodium hydroxide to produce aromatic 1,2 or 1,4-diol and sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Mechanism of Dakin oxidation. Here I am going to take the example of oxidation of 4-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Aldehyde group of 4-hydroxy benzaldehyde acts as an electrophile. Hydroxide ion and hydrogen peroxide react together to produce water and peroxide ion, which acts as a nucleophile and add to the electrophilic aldehyde carbon like this to produce this tetrahedral intermediate. Collapse of the tetrahedral intermediate by delocalization of negative charge followed by 1,2 phenyl migration and elimination of hydroxide ion lead to the formation of phenyl ester and hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion then adds to the carbonyl carbon of phenyl ester to produce another tetrahedral intermediate which collapses like this to produce phenoxide ion and formic acid. We know that carboxylic acid is more acidic than phenol. So these two species cannot exist together. So there is immediate proton transfer from formic acid to phenoxide ion to produce benzene 1,4-diol and formate ion. Relative reactivity of ortho and para-hydroxyaldehydes or ketones towards Dakin oxidation. In ortho-hydroxyaldehyde or ortho-hydroxyketone, there is intramolecular hydrogen bond that creates partial positive charge on carbonyl carbon, which makes it more electrophilic for the attack by hydroperoxide ion and thus makes it more reactive. In contrast, para-hydroxyaldehyde or para-hydroxyketone doesn't have such intramolecular hydrogen bond and thus remain less reactive. Reaction of meta-hydroxyaldehyde or ketones. Meta-hydroxy compounds don't oxidize to metabenzene diols and carboxylates. Rather, they form phenyl carboxylic acids. This can be explained based on variation in migratory aptitudes of aryl rings in tetrahedral intermediates. These are the tetrahedral intermediates formed by the attack of hydroperoxide ion on carbonyl carbon of ortho, meta and para-hydroxy benzaldehyde. In ortho and para, due to resonance, aryl carbon bonded to carbonyl becomes electron rich and because of this its migratory aptitude for 1,2 migration becomes greater than hydride ion. In the case of meta-hydroxyaldehyde, resonance increase negative charge density on the carbon ortho and para to the aryl carbon bonded to carbonyl. So in this case, migratory aptitude of hydride ion becomes greater than aryl. So hydride ion migration occurs during collapse of tetrahedral intermediate that gives rise to meta-hydroxybenzoic acid. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.